Welcome to another episode of Eat Natural, Live Healthy. Today, I'll be taking you back to my childhood. For many of you that know me, you know I grew up in Ilorin, Kwara State, and there's one delicious recipe from there that I would love to teach you today. That is Ekuru. What is Ekuru? In simple terms, what we used to call it when we were children is white Moin, because that's exactly what it was. Ekuru is made with beans, plain beans, blended, then steamed like Moin and eaten with a pepper sauce. Some people even add draw soup, then eat it with stew. It's lovely, delicious, healthy. And normal Ekuru actually is made with just plain beans. Some people blend it with onions, some people add a little oil. But you know, when it comes to Lagos Housewife, we're definitely going to add other things to make it even healthier. So for today, I will be blending my beans. I've already peeled this. I'll be blending it with onions, and I'll be adding flax seed to beef up the fiber. And then for extra protein, I'll actually be adding eggs to it too, and a little oil for gloss. My own Ekuru is funky Ekuru, not the Ilorin native one, but believe me, it's very, very delicious and it's very, very healthy. So let me get to blending it. In goes my onions. I have 2 medium-sized onions here. Then 2 cups of beans. 2 cups of beans. To that, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of flax seed. 1/4 cup. Then water for blending. I've finished blending the beans and flaxseed and onions. Now this next step, it's not compulsory, but I'll advise you do it. If you have a mixer or you have orogun turning stick, turn it to make it fluffy, just like we do with akara. It will help you with the texture when eating it, but it's really not compulsory. And it's at this step I'll add oil and eggs. If you are not going to use mixer, add your oil and eggs when you're already blending. So that's just all. Okay. Just like about a 1/4 cup of oil. Any healthy oil you have. Can you see that? It has whipped quite nicely. So now it's time to scoop it into our leaves. I have my steaming pot here. This is basically what a steaming pot is. You can see that the water is under, then this one with holes is on top. So this is where I'll place the moin to the Ekuru, to steam. So I'm going to be using leaves for my Ekuru. But basically, whatever you use to make your moin, you can use it to make Ekuru. Ekuru is just like moin without the peppers, without the other added things you blend with moin, and you eat it with sauce. So however you do your moin, do your Ekuru that way. That's just it. So, for those of you who don't know how to wrap. I'm now covering it, and I'm going to let it steam for 30-40 minutes till it's done, just like moi moi, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. My ekuru is ready. Ooh. Let me open one and show you. Hot, hot, hot. I want to open it and show you. Ooh, look at that. You know, I told you ekuru is eaten with sauce, normally a regular pepper sauce, and some people also add draw soup with stew to eat it. But I just discovered the most amazing thing to eat it with. Who can guess? Ofada sauce, ayamase. Hey! He just upgraded it to another level. So this ekuru, I'll be serving it with ofada. Ayamase. Ayamase is the green one. Ofada is the red one. I'm doing the green one. So ayamase, that's what I'll be serving it with. You have to try this. Please try it. It's amazing, it's delicious, it's healthy. And I've introduced those of you that are not from Ilorin and have not heard of ekuru, I've introduced you to another meal for your families. Eat natural, live healthy. And don't forget, we have an ayamase Ofada sauce recipe video here, so you can check it out to know how to prepare your own. And as always, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your loved ones and friends. And I'll see you again on my next recipe. It's so delicious.